And that breaking news today, face masks will now be required across the state of North Carolina anytime you go out in public.
Face coverings are a simple way to control this virus while protecting ourselves, our families, and the other people around us.
The governor's order on face masks will take effect this Friday at 5 p.m.
The governor also just announced he is delaying moving the state into phase 3. Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us for First at 4. I'm Dee Dee Gatton.
And I'm Dedrick Russell. That was a big announcement from the state. Our Chandler Morgan joins us now live with the details on the decision to keep North Carolina in phase 2 for the next 3 weeks. Chandler, what can you tell us?
Yeah, Dedrick and Dee Dee, Governor Cooper says this is not where he wanted the state to be, but making this decision to keep the state in phase 2 for the next 3 weeks was the safest decision they could make to effectively fight this virus. But he knows that this puts business owners in a tough spot. But he is hopeful that in 3 weeks, when we reach the end of this continuation of phase 2, he's hoping to ease those restrictions on places like playgrounds, gyms, museums, all of the places that we're hoping to open this Friday, expecting an on-time move into the next phase. But he says this was the safest decision he could make for the people of North Carolina at this point. Of course, he said that the economy is a priority, but the health and safety of North Carolinians must take priority. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Chandler. Quick question. You've talked to gym owners recently. How are they taking this news?
It's tough, Dee Dee. A lot of gym owners that we've talked to have told us they were already expecting to be included in the initial plans for phase 2. So when you think about their continuation of this next 3 weeks, it's really salt in the wounds because they were already expecting an on-time move into phase 3. Again, they had even really been hoping for that when we started phase 2, but we will continue to keep you updated on their progress and their efforts as we also monitor any updates that come out at the state level. Live in Belmont tonight, Chandler Morgan at WBTV on your side.
All right, thank you, Chandler. And for the face mask requirement, you'll have to wear them out in public and outdoors if you cannot social distance. Again, that starts Friday at 5 p.m. If you're at a restaurant, you have to wear one anytime you're not at your table. There are some exceptions. Look at your screen. Anyone under the age of 11 is exempt. Also, if you have a medical condition or disability, you also don't need one if you are exercising, and you don't have to wear one if you're working from home or if you're in your personal